Let's talk about analytics. We've updated our dashboard to include all of your most important data in one place. If you haven't synced your Google Analytics, Facebook, or Google Business Profile, you'll definitely want to do that to get the most out of your dashboard. Let's go over how this works. Click on the Analytics tab and you'll see your Google Analytics right here. Click Sync Google Analytics and then sign in to the Gmail account that is connected to your analytics. If you have multiple properties, you'll see them listed here. Make sure you click the correct one and then click Sync Google Analytics. Once that's synced, you can see your dashboard start to fill out right here. Then you can click back on the Analytics tab and see even more details that we've pulled for you. Now we'll go ahead and sync Facebook. So click Sync Facebook and make sure you log in with your Facebook profile that is connected to your Facebook business page. And then you'll see that start to populate in your Facebook overview. You can also sync your Google Business Profile if you have one. If you're a local business and you don't have a Google Business Profile yet, I highly recommend creating one.